Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the trash can inside of Subnautica 2. So the trash can you can find inside of the Pioneer bases, or those little hidden bunkers all over, both in the starting area and some sort of areas like close to where you head to the next zone. And to find them, all you gotta do is find those bunkers. And you only need one fragment for the trash can, but I'm actually going to show you where you can find a couple of them just in case. So the first one we're going to go to is heading on over here to the east-northeast next to this wreckage. And next to this wreckage, just off to the right side, is a vortex that sucks us straight down into the water. Go ahead and swim on down there. And we're looking for, towards the northeast, we're looking for these lights that are on these platforms, these work platforms, and they're going to lead us to one of those hidden Pioneer bunkers. So as we swim through here, we're going to be able to zip all the way in here, and off to our right is the first bunker. And inside of here, as we go all the way in the back, past all this stuff, you'll find the trash can on the floor, scannable. You can also scan the single bed and the bio bed in order to get all of those fragments. On top of that, I think there might be something else. You can scan this stool, which is always good. You need a scan for a stool, you can find it here. And that looks to be about it. Once you're done inside of here, you can head back to your sea moth, or just using your wake maker or whatever you've got. I'm gonna head out to the exit to the north. We're going to head back to the life pod for the next one. It's the easiest way to navigate, and we're going to head towards direction 345 on our compass, and it's going to end up being probably between 345 and north on the compass. And this is going to be the next Pioneer bunker that's going to be hiding in the cave, where you can also find a lot of silver. So we're looking for some wreckage right here in front of us. You'll also know you're in the right place if you see this juvenile angel comb, although if you haven't cleansed it yet, it might be surrounded by baddies, so be careful. And then once you get to this particular wreckage here, you're going to turn around until you see, looking at the southeast south area, these little dangling plants that look like jellyfish, and we're going to swim down inside of this cave. And as we swim down into this cave, we're going to be very careful not to bonk our noggin, and we're going to head towards the right immediately, and you'll see down here another one of those Pioneer bunkers. I'm going to zip outside of my tadpole, and inside of here you will find another of the fragments for the trash can, where it's, here it is, right here. So you got a trash can, you got another bio bed. Unfortunately, you don't have another fragment for the bed itself. So if you're looking for the bed, I'll have to show you where to find that in another tutorial. You can also find a fragment of the repair tool right here on the countertop. And in the back here, there is a piece of a broken habitat builder if you need that as well. And that'll be it, really. That's how you find the blueprints for the trash can here inside of Subnautica 2. If you're looking for how to get out of here, you just rise up to this little stalagmite as you rise above that bunker. We're going to head towards these green plants on the left, and this leads us up into the tunnel that leads to the surface. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you find the blueprint for the trash can. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.